Hello, welcome to the part 2 of tricks to solve trigonometric problem in second. So let's get started. I am from Mathesity. Now this is our first problem. If ABC be the angles of a triangle, then what is the value of cos A cos C plus cos A plus B cos B plus C over cos A sin C minus sin A plus B cos B plus C? And our four options are 1, 0, cot C or tan C. Now we know that ABC may have many values, and we know A plus B plus C is 180 degree. But for the trick, we will take only the values of A, B and C 60 degree. So A equals to B equals to C equals to 60 degree, and this trick is only you will use this trick only for MCQs question, for competitive exam question. So after taking A equals to B equals to C equals to 60, we will put this value in the question. So it will become cos 60 degree plus cos 120 degree over cos 60 degree sin 60 degree minus sin 120 degree cos 120 degree. Now we know the values. Cos 60 degree is 1 over 2, cos 120 degree is minus 1 over 2, sin 60 root 3 over 2, and sin 120 degree root 3 over 2. Now everything is over 2, so we will not consider 2, so we will get 1 cross 1 1 minus 1 cross minus 1 is 1, and this here 1 cross root 3 is root 3, and root 3 1 is root 3, and minus minus plus. So 2 over 2 root 3 is 1 over root 3. Now we get 1 over root 3, and we will put A, B and C in the options. So here 1 0 and here cot C. We know C is 60 degree, so cot 60 degree is 1 over root 3, and tan C and tan 60 degree is root 3. So we will get 1 over root 3 in the option C. So C cot C will be our answer. So this is very simple. So let's get into the more complicated example. So here ABC be the angles of a triangle, and sin A plus C over 2 equals to n sin C over 2. Then what is the value of tan A over 2, tan B over 2? And our four options are n plus 1 over n minus 1, 1 minus n over 1 plus n, n minus 1 over n plus 1, and 1 plus n over 1 minus n. So we know that A plus B plus C 180 degree. So as the before example, we will take A equals to B equals to C equals to 60 degree. Now I put the value in the question. Sin A plus C over 2 equals to n sin C over 2. I will discuss this thoroughly, and into the next example I will show that how can you solve in 5 or 6 seconds. So I will put the value of AC after I put this, and after putting I get 1 equals to n cross 1 over 2. So n equals to 2. We get n equals to 2. Now in the question, tan A over 2 dot tan B over 2. So tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree, because A 60 degree, 60 over 2 is 30 degree. Now we get the value 1 over 3. Now we will put those values. N equals to 2, we will put the value of n equals to, then we have in the option 3 minus 1 over 3, 1 over 3 and minus 3. So 1 over 3 is our answer. So C is our answer, because n equals to 2 and we get tan A over 2 dot tan B over 2 is 1 3. So we will put n is equals to 2 in the options, and we get 1 over 3, and because we know that this is 1 over 3, so C will be our answer. Now I will go through third example, and I will show you how to calculate this in 6 or 7 seconds. And this is our same example. If ABC be the angles of a triangle, and sin A plus C over 2 equals to n sin C over 2, then what is the value of sin C over 2 over cos A minus B over 2? So this is our four options. So we will take A equals to B equals to 60 degree, and we put the value sin A plus C over 2 n sin c over 2, and after putting we get sin 90 degree equals to n sin 30 degree, so we will get the value n equals to 2. Now we will put a equals to b equals to c equals to 60 degree in the question, so we will get sin 30 by cos sin 30 over cos 0, so we will get the answer 1 over 2. Now we will put n equals to 2 in the option, so we will get from only option C 1 over 2, and we get here 1 over 2, so C will be our answer. So this is the process, and this is trick, very useful. You can apply this trick in many example of trigonometric problem. So I hope you like this, and please subscribe because next part will be coming soon, so please subscribe. Thank you so much.